look, I don't know. I've been out the game for a long, long time. What it do? It's your girl Mia coming back with a video. And I'm back with another facial kit. Hold on. Can you see? Ooh. Okay. It's called Bambu Earth. Or I haven't even opened it, but I'm about to open it for you guys. So I have been seeing this on Facebook. And I've been kind of avoiding it because I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be as real as I can with you guys. I haven't seen many women of my color using their products, using Bambu Earth products. So I was kind of hesitant upon ordering this product, but I ordered it. Like, oh. Look, they come with a little thank you note with your name on it. How awesome. All right, so I ordered the mini kit. And it comes with 6 items. And I ordered some cactus concentrate and I ordered it separately. This is small. I didn't expect this to be so small. But it comes in this. All right, now this I've been inquiring about because I was told that this helps you with your under eye circles, right? As you guys can see that I have. So I decided to order that. Next, this is the moisturizer. Can you guys see it? Oh, I thought this was like a bar soap. Sorry, y'all. But it's not a bar soap. It actually comes in a little jar like this as well. Next, there's a facial mist intense hydration spray. I don't know the order of how to use this. But I will say Bambu Earth has been very generous and gave me some instructions in my email. So thank you, Bambu Earth. I appreciate that. Okay, so this is the Makeup Dirt Cleansing Oil. Gently cleanses, stimulates new tissue growth. All right, so this is the facial oil. Ooh. This is a 2-in-1 pumpkin oat glow and mask. Exfoliates for a radiant, youthful complexion. So it's like a powder. This is the toner. Okay, you guys, I'm not gonna lie. I do my own facial stuff, so I'm not really sure, like I said before, which order this is supposed to go. But as I stated, Bambu Earth has been very generous and they sent me some instructions in my email. So I am going to go by those instructions. The good thing about the toner is, and I was looking for that too, it's alcohol free. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Last one. Rose water cleanser. Gentle, no foam, hydrating, blemish control with tea tree. Here is that. So this is everything that came in a kit. I haven't opened the mist. Here's the intense mist. I so want to do this right now, but I'm not going to do it right now. I'm going to do it tomorrow because tonight I want to rest. And I'm going to come back with a video of how it feels, and I'm going to come back with a video of the routine and of how I am actually supposed to apply and in what order. All right, you guys, so I'm excited about my new facial stuff that came in the mail. I'm praying that this works, especially for my dark circles and a little bit of pigmentation. Like, I have this bump that likes to come often. And I think it's like a hormonal bump because I only get them here. The rest of the stuff is just freckles and moles, but I'm hoping that this cactus concentrate helps my eye circles, and it's small, right? But I was told you don't need a lot. I'm gonna stick with this because this was expensive. All right, you guys, that's it for my video. I got all my facial stuff. I am very excited. I'm gonna let you guys go, but I just want to leave you with, remember, don't drop your dreams. Pick up your dreams and run with them, because if you don't, someone else will. All right? God bless.